I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to download your account statements on Lyft, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account for which you want to download the statements. Step 2. Go to your account. Tap on the account icon, usually found in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Access ride history. Scroll down and select the ride history option. This section contains all your past rides and related information. Step 4. Select the statement period. Choose the specific time frame for which you want to download the statement. You can usually select options like class, month, or custom range. Step 5. Download the statement. Once you've selected the period, look for the download button. This will save your statement as a PDF file to your device. Be sure to check your downloads folder afterward. If you don't see the download option, try refreshing the app or logging out and back in. Happy driving!